So now we're going to review our lecture quiz 7. Once again, only 2 questions. Please make sure you show your work. First question is nice and straightforward. We're just asked to simplify. So 3 times 10 gives us 30. Then we have x squared times x to the 5th. Think of properties of exponents here. When you multiply numbers that have the same base, you're going to add your exponents. So 2 plus 5 gives you 7. So we get x to the 7th. And then we have y times y to the 3rd. Well, y is the same as y to the 1st times y to the 3rd. 1 plus 3 gives you 4. So 30x to the 7th, y to the 4th, which is answer choice B. Right. Let's move on to question 2. We're given f of x and g of x, and we want to find the product of our f and g evaluated at 0. So we could either just take the product from the general sense first and then plug in 0, or we can find f of 0, find g of 0, and then multiply the two together. I think that's easier, in my opinion. I'm showing my work for this, but notice wherever you see an x, it just shoots to 0. So my f of 0 is just 2, and my g of 0 is just the constant, which is 3. And then we want to multiply these two together, 2 times 3, which gives us our final solution as 6. So f times g of 0 is just 6. And that's it. That completes our second question and then the entirety of our quiz 7. Really short. Hope this was helpful for you guys. Take care.